And then, of course, I gathered my wits around me and decided, let me look at what this gentleman is saying.
What was it that upset you about it?
His claim that my firm took and our clients received approximately $1 million equivalent in Ghana cedis from the said judgment debt. That upsets me because it's complete falsehood. And he himself has attached the documentation that show that it is false.
And which documents are?
There is a case, a writ attached to this, Ray Smith versus Alfred Agbesi-Woyumi. And when you see or read the content of that writ, you realize that Alfred Agbesi-Woyumi, in or about 2008, gave or took a debt from Ray Smith in the sum of about 982,929 United States dollars. 2011, he hadn't repaid that debt, and so Ray Smith instructed my firm, and indeed it's my partner Tony Letha, my former partner Tony Letha, who represented them. He sued Alfred Agbesi-Woyumi for recovery of this money on behalf of Ray Smith. And again, Mr. Alfred Agbesi-Woyumi attaches the checks that were issued to Ray and Ingeborg Smith in the sum of, and you see the checks are attached. And so the payment that was made by Alfred Woyumi to Ray and Ingeborg Smith was in respect of a debt he owed Ray Smith, and for which we initiated action on his behalf. That is Ray Smith's behalf.
Essentially, he's saying that you're trying to prosecute him for fraudulently taking money which you or your firm benefited from.
My firm never benefited from any money, any part of that 51 million that he fraudulently...
How's that so? He's claiming.
I mean, where's the evidence? There is absolutely no evidence. In the first place, we've never worked for Alfred Agbesi-Woyumi. Never. My firm has never worked for him. In the 4 cases that are before or were before the court, I think 2 are still pending from what I understand.
I'm not sure he's claiming that, though, that your firm worked for him.
No, but so how would we have benefited from that money if we didn't work for him?
Essentially,
because there have been 2 stories since last week. First, they said we represented Alfred Agbesi-Woyumi, and then of course Mr. Letha went on one of the radio stations and said, no, that is not correct. We've always been on the other side. If he's plaintiff, we represent the defendant. If we represent the plaintiff, he is defendant. And so we've always been, that's my firm, and represented by Mr. Tony Letha, because he has personally handled these cases. I never personally handled anything involving Alfred Agbesi-Woyumi, but it was my firm at the time. We were always on the other side. As far as I know, and as far as the documents he has provided, the truth is that he owed Ray Smith. We sued him, and he paid him a debt he owed.
What's your response to his suggestions or his call or his demand that you resign?
I mean, that's quite funny that he should say that. For what reason should I resign? There's no conflict. I'm doing my work as Attorney General. There's been a judgment. The people of Ghana, as you can see, are very unhappy with the decision of the court. We filed an appeal. I'm pursuing it. What is there to call on me to resign for? There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing.
Not I be for reckon one cemetery, but my main car was 1760 your text message line. If I bring NG bring na lawyer Nana Obri Boahen na Elena Kudi and Komofa aye Oyomi sense me Lawyer Martin apom ti say.
Kaburu house lawyer Martin.
Joso.
Nya lawyer Martin apom ti say.
Joso.
Nana ya brefo de mi fi no. So o pese bunu man hu se na mada pa daddy.
Nana ya Adom me.
Kaburu house ni so biribu.
Lawyer Boko.
Nana ya Adom me.
Mesi on kaburu.
Oh, ejano. Ejano ntimunka.
No.
Ajuko ko kwaji mama enu kwa no.
Want to make kaburu. No
kwai.
Okay, so lawyer, yeah, that's so what you from the legal point of view, free that court to bua the criminal aspect of his case. ABC and rather ecosi senso krata woyomi through a year Dominic Mumodin Bomb intercept your mocking kama Ghana for a year woyomi atro any yamame marital brew the response no okay can see any then I can found.
Much animated for mean said then marital brew response no but I think that we must be fair to the lawyer. Woyomi letter no or Troy and Megidi said, for me, I'm speaking for myself as a Briban. They're malicious. A Trimpopi. Oh, Maninkiro Musi. In the marker, sir, some not there in a ban by your case in ye. The case was never well prosecuted by any ye capital back right from the word go. Sabamfa betting mode idrusu bamfa kwabnado for bamfa but no drew anka ho amesiminu anka ho uncharge be no de case no right from invitation na abu ahekra but they say either by awie them did say me da biamka se me mom de se nsi hunu no bo apaye bi wo baabi sabamfa sa ni paranka ho o tumunka bibia en convince me da Sabu apaye bi anybody. Sabu shada se be yibi film. By be asam no. Abana yapi. Well, my accusation out there to get lawyer no. What on do in America? The fact that me my accusing aegis officer banye doesn't mean say ebia we so just from work wo yo me dey for mama no. Me not for wo yo bi so. Mama na sam no ede. Mama fam say. Then come go for me hu bone a Mama na ye me hu bone a wa ye ne kira me hu bone a wa ye ne ano uto makodo wa ni mirika no se ni mi kirem men fa me sa mi se sam we me ye kese sigma ayenfu bi bana bofie ana bui ana ndoko kida banyina abasa so abana je eye bui project se ko ba se amede mi enfa e wo court sika mu do pa Ekobasa be pia sika bi nyina na lawyer so me je ni chofa na ekobasa ba chip na achibi na ekwakoye minister for justice attorney general na ekobasa sika do abani pia no bi wiye sika no bi ka ho na bi ma de no kosoro na kire nko no yode ni pa court ni bi abaja na ya mafale apila you don't accuse me as an individual say oji sika no bi I mean that complainer and I said then try to show another some more woyomi dear bomber no dear immunity na mfini na mfra kapra ba oh ajara ko ko ya ha mi police mpombe bre no se ko basa aya clients no ba akura be dress I complain no say ampa clients no catch the lawyer then the lawyer will pick it up then this particular case no client na mam lawyer na mane look at the contents of Woyomi's letter of the impression that all creating is asam no some of this sika no apɛ ɛna lawyer ba no okotua sika bi man personally na ayesa asano ben kuma asam nsɛm but that is not it. If you look at the content of Woyomi letter no what are the project so for goodness sake for me as a lawyer as a practitioner make me say yes sabi me so more the obama no abani me I called for the head of the age to say baby case is president necessary but this particular case there so about the president or quite man no say man no want to say nothing na ko do so sana enye it will serve as a bad and a dangerous precedent. Ababa said, Sebiko Kasa me to Minister Bishop. Now, in this case, the crowd to say, well, me there, the Bian president and my sister, and for me, in all honesty, my men will inquire. Why are they so original? I don't think the president is also son.
All right, but Nana Obribo and Mr. Intie Woyomi letter Febio saying, in as much as I am not against the decision of the state to appeal, I am particularly against your conduct and public utterances during the trial and after the judgment. Any enough so Becca said, I say, see for
appeal. For they have a blue in her personal capacity in our file appeal. She has filed it as the Minister for Justice and Attorney General. Even if she signed it, me now when you sign it there, baby call the Pacono sign, and you have a Bruna, a sign. But it's a young Marita Brew Crown sign it, meaning you sign notice of appeal. Two, the government of Ghana, represented by the legal department, that is the Minister of Justice, and now file appeal. So, on what basis do you select Marita Don Kwana with this someone airborne? Three, second D can come. Lawyer Naya Juman, say Ada Marita Nayo, Tonelita Nayo, Nafam Nayo, Ebia Saman Woyomi, and our company. Now, company be with the company be bakwa congress ba samane what yes kanu but a lawyer for nature farmer be enya wona fa wo mo obi na fa wo me uti yes kanu but be dia mabe esim say a wo ko bono so mo say you want to film na asem no kura no mre bi sika ba it has no basis.
Okay, but he goes further to say I find it difficult to reconcile your decision to involve yourself directly in this criminal case and notice of appeal you have authorized to be issued and served on me. It is a fact that you, it is a fact that you and your clients received approximately $1 million equivalent in Ghana cedis from the said judgment debt you are now from the said judgment debt you now so much criminalized and want me jailed for. And he talks about the CD equivalent and the bank.
That accusation also is baseless. Sorry to use that word. Baseless in the sense that, once again, client to get who Mareta, client to get put on a liter, client to go on the firm, that the Aqua Court. So, not court, general legal counsel, allow for you a fees, not a percento, near Jessica Bia. If 15% never, she can't swan never from par. Yemen and represent Woyomi. Now, I don't represent different clients. But the work of court, what case she can amabe, but better family. Say, no, some more of your bonus. No fan. So, the black of Marietta, and answer to the litter. That's how she can be other mumpa, no, I know I it has no basis because you engage the services of a law firm. And definitely you must pay for their services. And therefore, if you have paid for their services, what could we see be baby? Now say be law firm be ya do court causing financial loss. Now so find law firm be now law firm represent on. Never do you even first be a baby for the docotuma or the law firm for so mama be maybe if you say it has the Jessica. Any basis. I agree. I agree. Lawyer, I agree. The Ghana for lawyer, the Casa and this for to me, I agree. I agree. But on this particular instance here, my men are audible. We don't quite dear. Just think I shall not give a dog a bad name and hang it.
Okay.
But the Fabiano, all your money complain, a burning. There's no basis.
All right, but the
a policy for I'm for the Baba GB. But Mammy, where the America cannot be any little law firm accusation there. And a burning as a lawyer, make my accusation a baseless and malicious.
Nana Obri Boahen, the crack one, Ujiri say right after court, the end of Alfred Agbeshi, Woyomi, Akochro Kratawe,
Malice. That is the word. Malice. Malice. Because what's the content of the letter now? No, yeah, accusations not the quite do not job, man. I beg him capture back. So why a lawyer, Juma? Uba said you're coming in and I beg him capture back. You are a lawyer, Juma. If we are able to be the minute she can't was assassin. You are make a biaman. Obedem Sikaje, would you Sikana Memobi? Obedem fear, who think you fear na Mamma and Danny, you know the Ayo chambers. In fact, lawyer Nibia are on thing yet. What I say. Now, quite a woman, lawyer, and now far, little brew and cono, no, now foul. Obedem engage you on services. Not because yeah, because man, no, what yes, Sikano. The better Amabe. So why do you love accusations like this? Obedem Podua who said, Science Sikana would Tiano. And then I did because a lot of them who said, we are entitled to this percentage. So the Sikabi would give me Sikabini. Would they watch a company in the car? But I know upon a lawyer for no, and then that client on social.
All right.
Science Sikao, where did they sample upon the amount of the Tiama? And I say, sometimes maybe a settlement of cases up. Yeah, you say. Principal amount to me, you say. But I have to someone to say. But your lawyer for percentage, you say.
All right.
Santia, no? None of them from my lawyers.
Okay.
So don't focus on now, Tiana on the man, little brew and coa. What you mean, what rather because I'm Missy Canibi, Sicanamba the Medino, and Nubin Coa, and Tidiak. I don't want some of being engaging in services.
All right. Nana, Aubrey, Wahe, Medase. Okay.
It has no basis.
All right.
I am malicious.
Okay.
For me, it's unreasonable.
Okay. Edasipi,
My man, only thinking, President Mahama should not reshuffle the woman. Plus, some cash on reshuffle. He should not reshuffle all my woman, you know, and you see, now all you're in an airplane. Also, from where do you more? But yes, about innocent persons being I'm about didn't know proceedings requirement. You didn't burn or so about any person.
Nana, but I say, what you can't say a Asobaya banner.
Asobaya, my
okay, or Edwisia.
A question I'm just saying. I didn't have fee. And why you didn't say I didn't have fee. Because case now I running almost 3 years. It's the other end why accuse it from the time our case they started.
Julian,
why now? And only issue. That's all I want to know. Okay. Why now?
Why now?
Then I'm a fee.
Okay.
And what's on it?
Okay. Oh, how you know?
Why now?
Why now?
Hey, well, suit the out to me say, but why now?
Yes.
We shoot to the
only joy price.
And then a big deal. That be only a joy news.
Joy news.
Joy news.
I love the show, baby, all the way. And it says, God bless you from AC New Dubiase and out there. So 1760. Fabra in Angel Brank, Kawana Fame. And then now 3 years, we mean a way, Pepe, GN Awards, Nabana way, into Michelle 1446, Nanaya Brefo. You make my friend from you quickly enough, your PJM. It is 0302211701 up to 4. Message quickly. Now, please, Nanaya, is it not prison orders, but police service who had the escape? Okay, I'm Kumsin from Sunyane. I don't get it. Okay, prison for police. Then no person come. You can't send Kofu breaking jail no because police prison orders now as a police for the able momo. Which is okay. Asha, good morning. What you saying?
Good morning.
Yeah.
What you saying?
I'm not going to go Asha.
Just to show a child and a liar before. I'm a credit class and testament and I am for deputy regional minister.
All right.
Minia.
Police, they no police.
Okay.
Yes, that's right. I go see why you music. Why no? I go see why you music. Yeah, defending at the my way down. They got 3 years here. I have been for Asem Kesee behind one me defend. But the take I am an and so. Oh my in Koblata, you because a woman you are bad day. Yeah, can't say what this what I former president from Leso. So I can know woman you are Atani Delali. Master, this is for a woman requires you who say, found saying secretary gender man, Mamma, Kobit Makas or Bully, this or Kaudi, because no man was started the airtime. Everyone didn't tell so. Into my require criminal and mom for do. There's almost for so much you know. Okay. Because of poor man and Lasso.
Nana Branches when Okasa.
Nana Kwaba.
Major also Oba Hima.
You young quite.
Yeah. Say the blues company I had
I don't know.
Mamin champion Kasa me boss pa me channel no pay MC. I keep that me channel. Professor Bafo ya also me channel pa. SS will be assemblyman check if pan command. I like mama. We assemblyman or be assemblyman. The two Obama check if you come on so. Eye why you mean seminar you know. Me to me pa the rent say yan fa man your semu bia ntunchen. Aman your seminar. Me entity ni me entity yan fa ntunchen. Na no kura bie wo mu no. Yan ka ye pese Ghana tumpon. Se ne be ye bia be ko yi ama ye e Ghana ha no. Yan fa man your semu ntunchen yan ka semu no kura. Me da say.
Yes, Papa, to be fair.
Elembele, buy
you, young call a elemele, buy our muscle, buy a crabber.
And I am Michelle on the color.
You.
I mean, Nana, I think it's a Ghana, yeah, the new media group. I think it's a thing as a Ghanaian, a proactive, now say, beating our strength, the judicial, no compromise. The combatant saying, we say, narrow interbro. Why in the Juma? That time he was not Attorney General. Why in the Juma? And your services have been paid for. In the end, you bred out this thing against this woman. I think that the best option is was the money properly paid to you, or you on that right direction. That is what Ghanaians want to know. If that is enough expensive, you may come out boldly and say, when you wait, I'm a year, these are my expenses, I'm a year. Like I say, to do 2008 can a year we engineering our year. It was truly paid in the right direction. Not kind of party, no Bianca appeal, but you come out to attack the Attorney General, and I think it's uncalled for. I think it's on malicious and attempt
to kind of malicious.
Yeah,
you're kind of malicious. Yes, you're kind of malicious. Calamity.
So I have the kind of one thing. I am malicious.
I am malicious. I want it.
No, together with you.
By Matthias, I go so to Abanaba. Oh, Diamond can quality. No, your quality no, I need to me about. I was Aquaba. You, young quack.
Yeah, Miniaba, Medina and Casay, or Sebus at the plants and Oko. And you only say, may ya expect to be so why you miss what the dubious means energy Ghana Canampa. Mammy, we Atani Delali, I went to me on Bonity. And now send your without question, why now? Why now? I say now, Baby Booty. And then, secondly, what wanted that's who would team people, who would team people. I think I said, you need that, then you have to now.
One more.
Very good. You want to make the woman confused. Officer on my on my penny, my man, as a new attorney, but I'm also confused with the case. But in your message, my man, if it is true that he has no connection to this case, that one you meet the then he should fall. Oh, no, so means that any illegal party. Why you mean this can illegal? Unfortunately, so you can of more man. If he has no connection with the Wyoming issues near the Adiana, and your unfortunately you can
okay. A great year for never the time watching your
Nana said 22nd of March.
Okay, all right.
Kwasiada we no see any new penny.
Okay, and Sanso na kwabna ma
pass state man. Ticket while I'm family Kumasi na.
Oh, na ho de be no wako. Nyom fa for monko.
Me fa there for me duru Kumasi am afaka kwa adwuretia. Enti wamrem ticket na na sa me meja no.
Wo fa pankro no na outside.
Me de pankro no kwa me se me sa pankro no me duru Kumasi na ma fa pankro no.
Ah wo fa wi sha ku.
Aha duru Kumasi. Tina na mrem ticket.
Okay. Jakari. Okay. All right, kwabna ma kwa statesman sem for papa da from nkawanda e won kokko nyame adma. Memenda we sheba beta wachi the phone na so kotai kwabna manka ni papa da from statesman the obokrata semfo ye dey see Adam Eji aye crowd but ye da dan for diabetes ana the mixture ne the one say Dr. Asnod 02078721155 and 0246493230 ye dey see Adam Eji aye crowd J-Fax father Roma or the Agokensi Ebro.